Hello guys, and welcome to another GTA Online tips, tricks and anything you want. And I found a police helicopter and they're hard to get. So this is the location you need to be to find the helicopter. There. Where his car park is. It's right there. If you ever drive past it, it's near the clothes shop and in the car park, yeah. And in a car park there is a SWAT van. They might be, but it might unfortunately not be there. So if it doesn't spawn, just drive around this building and try and find it. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Subscribe, like, comment. Thanks, and see ya.